Foshan TSO Construction Machinery Company Limited is a solution provider for concrete pump. Our TSO, we are moving forward. Every step is solid and powerful. Every step is a pioneer. We have opened localization services in Southeast Asia, Middle East, Central Asia, Africa, South America, and other 10 countries. We have branch service centers in USA, Canada, Dubai, Russia.
Hello, this is Sayyida from TSO Machine Company. This is our products. The first one is the concrete machine, which we provide the concrete machine to other factories and for the working of the construction. Like this one machine, the basic engineering machine, we provide to different countries like French, Spanish, Russia, German, and Arabic, different Arabic countries.